Hey guys, Wingo here, and tonight we'll be opening some Tops Match Attacks 25 to 26 season, and this is the Gladiators Mega Tin, and this is a set of four, and I just realized it's one, two, three, and four. I got this for about 93 Australian dollars for the whole set, so that's about 21 Australian dollars each. So we'll have a look at one of these one of these boxes here. It says 45 cards plus three exclusive Gladiator limited edition cards. Uh, yeah, it's also got different themes. This one is the Centurions Megatine, and yeah, it shows you here what you will get and all the collection. We got look out for new chase cards, and yeah, let's pop this open. This is the first tin, which is the Gladiators pack. Let's put this back for display. Got a nice tin here. Match Attacks. I think this it just pops off, and we are getting 3 packs of 12 cards and this special pack. Let's open one of these. So I've started opening Match Attacks with the starter pack. Check out that video so we can check this out. We got Jorel Hato, Athletic Club, Gyökeres, still in Tottenham, Dominic Solanke, Stealth Strike, and Morten Hulman, Morgan Rogers, Magic Memories, Pedro Porro, it's a nice card, Kirkies, Garbagel, Omar Mamouche, Cardo Cagliafiori, and Gonzalo Ramos. Okay, let's move on to the next pack. So these are all UEFA club competition from the Champions League all the way to the Conference League, or as they say, the Wi-Fi password teams. I didn't say it, that's the internet saying. Ito and Gakpo, Stealth Strike. Defender Ibrahima Konate. Oh yeah, this doesn't have codes in him. Weston McKennie. Dan Byrne. Oh, that was Salzburg. Mittelstadt, I think. Rema Freuler, Hugo Larsen, and Pau Torres. Just gonna stack these cards for now. I'll sort them out later. Actually should be separating the good cards, but anyway. Ooh, Pedri. Let's go. That's the one I'm looking for. Barcelona players. Davy Klaassen, Toyn Coop Miners, and Infinity Musiala. Ooh, Ribéry. That Musiala was pretty nice. Man, these designs are amazing, you know? Magic. Our boy Messi. Let's go. Magic Memories. It's got 99 attack, 2 defense. I think this is the historical first player to score 5 goals. That one against Bayer Leverkusen. Manuel Neuer Cup champion. Curtis Jones, Courtois, Savio, Raya, and Lucas Hernandez. Okay, looking good. Pack is looking good, and this should be the 3 exclusive Gladiator limited edition cards. Got Atletico. Oh, so it's like a bonus pack. Okay. Man City counter-attacks. Erling Haaland. What is this? See Barcelona. Midfielder Dani Olmo. Looks nice. Erling Haaland Centurion. Another Barcelona card. Oh, Rafinha. Common. I just saw Lamine, but we got man of the match, Pedri. Oh, this pack is really good. Lots of Barcelona players. Jens Odgaard, and of course, yeah, Lamine Stealth Strike. And a Gladiator McTominay. Okay, so I think I'll just pop this all. So first 10. Pop this back here. And then that's our first cards here. That works. Let's go to number 2. This looks nice for something that costs like $20. Some of these designs are much better than the premium how do you call it? Premium cards, you know, like the collector. No, not collector booster. Magic. Okay, moving on. We got Quenda, Keane, Pavlovich. Hey, how come they can just be all in front? Another Gakpo, Showboat Firmino, Donnarumma, Torres on the Chelsea. Epic fail. Nicolas Otamendi, Robert Sanchez, Johnson, Yeremi Doku. Next pack. Let's see. Kind of want to buy more of these just because it's a UEFA club competition. Atletico de Madrid, Casado, Brobe. Oh, who's this? David Villa El Guaje. Let's go. Cole Palmer, Juan Miranda, Diomande, Cobel, Olaina, Lucius, Nuaneri. Kind of just going through all of this. Let's go for the next. We got Antoine Griezmann, Sporting Portugal, Pietro Comozio. I think Patrick Schick, I got that. Got Bradley Barcola, Ruben Dias, Pedri, man of the match. Okay, we're just getting duplicates at this point. Prestiani, Bier, Turian Timber, Vitinha. And a special pack. Let's see. Bastoni, Zambo Anguissa, another Chic, Van Dijk in Gladiator. It's gonna be Mbappe now. It's Bellingham. Lautaro. Why are these cards not like the same way? It's annoying. Have to flip over. Have the match. Raul, Terzic, Stuttgart, Bernardo Silva. How are you, my friend? And Nico Williams. Let's pop that back in. Okay, we got third Megatin here. Spartans. What's your profession? Let's put that back. I can ruin my display. Same cards. See? Look at that. I'll take it out later just so that you guys can see the difference in color. It's a third pack. Third tin, not third pack. Got Alvarez, Giuliano, Share. Do you believe in life after love? Lamine Yamal, South Strike. Griezmann. João Mario of Porto. Xavi Ball. Cup champions. Denis Undav. Bologna. Verts. Noni Madueke. Ki Kang In. This opening this pack is just satisfying. Get Andrich. Hato Intermezionali. Vini. Drogba. Fernando Torres. 2012 champions. Miranda. Got Bayer. Murillo. Frimpong. And Nathan Ake. And Ben White. Not Ake, Nathan Ake. Okay, Man City here. Kanji. McGinn. Ekatike. Where is it all? Look, should I start here? Yeah, that works. Di Lorenzo. Let the club. Similar to the first pack. Bradley Barcola. And counterattacks Salah. Zidane. In Juventus. Mo Diomande and Judas. Bro, I'm not even a Liverpool fan, man. I just like to ride on it. Jan Oblak. Ooh, got Barcelona crest. Love that. Athletic Club. Drogba. Heritage. Alessandro Buongiorno. Good morning too. Gladiator Cole Palmer. Harry Kane. Gladiator. Usman. Dumfries. Carvalho. And Dembele. Okay, down to the last 10. Got some white bits here from the pack, which really quite annoying. Last 10 is Battlers. Okay, we got this nice purple color. So many tins in my room. I don't know what to do with them. Give them away if anyone wants them. I don't know, I just don't like throwing them away as well. Yeah, comment down below if anyone would like to have some of these cards. That's not the Barcelona ones. So I'm not getting those. I'm keeping those. Try to send them to if anyone's interested. Julian Alvarez, Vivian, Zeno, Got Stealth Strike. What is this? Nakamura. Mario Götze. Godin. That guy was a headache before. Quite a good defender. Gravenberch. Balbert. Kasper Schmeichel. Cario. And Ake. Another pack. Open. Pack to dig Doctor away. We got Andrich. Yildiz. Gavi. See, those got some bits on my fingers. Solanke, getting duplicates now. Danny Elmo, Joao Mario, Xavi, and oh yeah, it's Liverpool. Mindy, Bobby Clark, Joao Neves, David Raya. Last normal pack we got. Let us see. Alex Meret, Musiala. Oh, minimal basic. Gigi Buffon, Donnarumma. Taken Karazor. Sounds like someone from Diablo. Reece James. Nubel. Orsolini. Lee Kangin. Estevao. And Rodri. And the last pack. Supposed to have 3 gladiators here. Chacha Chomanoglu. Kalanuglu. Chachalanuglu. Oh, the show about Ronaldinho. Second one we got. Goalkeeper. Gladiator. Kevin Trapp, sorry. Granit Xhaka. And I think we had something special back there. Conor Gallagher. Ooh. Get Declan Rice and this long shot master Chrome Award winner. That is good. And it's special cut as well. Rafinha. Rodri. And imagine if there's like a signature in there. Been epic. Bajrami, Pavlidis, and Beraldo. Alright. Got all these cards, which I'm really not looking forward to sorting because I'm lazy. But yeah, this has been the Gladiators Tops Match Attacks trading card game UEFA Club competitions. Just gonna take out this. Got the first Mega Tin. It's nice blue. Number 2. Got the green. Number 3, we got this copper. Number 4, get this purple. Okay, let's try to show this on camera. If you could, let me put this here. The back first. Just to finish off the video. Okay, I forgot which one is which. Pretty sure it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. The green tin. Get the blue. Get the gold or something. No, bronze. And we got the purple. Alright. That has been the 4. Excuse me, sorry. Mega tins for the Tops UEFA Club Competition Match Attacks 25-26. and it's been quite a long video. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this, enjoy me opening packs or just whatever I can think of, please like, comment down below, and subscribe. And yeah, put the notification bell if you want to see more video. Be the first one to see uploads. I'll see you guys on the next one.